Are home prices going up or down? Well, that depends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mario Joyner with Coldwell Banker Premier from very hot Las Vegas today. So media coverage about what's happening with home prices can be a bit confusing. Now, a large part of that is due to the type of data being used and what they're choosing to draw from. Now, for home prices, there are basically two different methods used to compare home prices over different periods of time. There's year over year and month over month. Now, here's a brief explanation of each. Year over year, or sometimes you'll see referred to as YOY, now this comparison measures the change in home prices from the same month or quarter in the previous year. Now, for example, if you're comparing year over year home prices for April 2023, you would then compare them to home prices from April 2022. Year over year comparisons focus on changes over a 1-year period, providing a more comprehensive view of long-term trends. Now, they are usually useful for evaluating annual growth rates and determining if the market is generally appreciating or depreciating. Now, month over month, or you see it referred to as MOM, this comparison measures the change in home prices from one month to the next. For instance, if you're comparing month over month home prices for April 2023, you would compare them to the home prices for March 2023. Meanwhile, month-over-month comparisons analyze changes within a single month, giving a more immediate snapshot of short-term movements and price fluctuations. They're often used to track immediate shifts in demand and supply, seasonal trends, or the impact of specific events on the housing market. Now, the key difference between year-over-year and month-over-month comparison lies in the time frame being assessed. Both approaches have their own merits and serve different purposes depending on the specific analysis required. Now, why is this distinction so important right now? Now, we're about to enter a few months when home prices could possibly be lower than they were the same month last year. April, May, and June of 2022 were three of the best months for home prices in the history of America in terms of the housing market. Now, those same months this year might not measure up. That means the year-over-year comparison will probably show values are depreciating. That'll generate some troubling headlines that say home prices are falling. That'll be accurate on a year-over-year basis. And those headlines will lead many consumers to believe that home values are currently cascading downward. However, on a closer look at month-over-month home prices, we can see prices have actually been appreciating for the last several months. Those month-over-month numbers are more accurately reflect what's truly happening with home prices. After several months of depreciation, it appears we've hit rock bottom and are bouncing back. So why does this matter to you? So if you're hearing negative headlines about home prices, remember, they may not be painting the full picture. For the next few months, we'll be comparing prices to last year's record peak, and that may make the year-over-year comparison feel more negative. But if we look at the more immediate month-over-month trends, we can see home prices are actually on the way back up. Now, there's an advantage to buying a home right now. You'll buy at a discount from last year's price and before prices start to pick up even more momentum. It's called buying at the bottom. And that's a good thing, obviously. Now, here's the bottom line. If you have any questions about what's happening with home prices, or if you're ready to buy before prices climb even higher, connect with me and we'll discuss it. I thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more timely and topical information on my next video.